beavers destroyed the levee. I'm talking about destroyed it. What's up, little dude? Wonder if he's back. You know, calm, buddy. I guess he come washing out the hole. Okay, how do you be? Whee! Woo! There used to be some monster fish in this pond, but I bet you there's nothing in it. Water used to be up to the banks right around in here, and you can see all the woods that was not woods. It used to be a lot bigger. Oh, wind. Oh, things we do for fishing. Bruh. How you gonna do me like that on the first cast? There you go. Give it back. Okay. Well. The hell have I hooked? Oh, got a bucket. Oh. There we go. Oh, we got off. That's a little feller. And stick him good enough. Oh, come on now. Oh, that's gonna get him. Well, the GoPro died, but we got a little fish. One in the bag. I'll see if we can catch a couple more. We're gonna get gone. that's about all we're gonna get. Bro. Well, I was just yapping to the camera for like 10 minutes and realized that the camera wasn't on. So, in short, it's not quite time, but the time is coming. It's been a little difficult, but hopefully this year it's going to be a little bit more on top of things, get some good content out there for you guys to watch. And for those of you that have subscribed and do tune into the channel, I do very much appreciate you guys. Need about 60,000 more of you. The end goal is maybe that, you know, I won't have to work a day job at some point. I can just do this kind of thing for a living. You know, I don't get to spend time with my kids. Doing this kind of thing, obviously, I take my kids along with me and they enjoy it, and it's a good learning experience. And nothing's healthier than a freshly caught meal from the water. If you haven't liked or subscribed, it'd be awesome if you could. It's a lot of work. Spend a lot of time, while you're sitting watching TV in the evenings or playing your video games. I play video games too, but I do a lot of editing. Get home from work at 9 o'clock at night and edit for 30 minutes to an hour, and then go to bed and wake up and do it all again. You know, travel 2 hours a day for work and work 10-hour days, 5 to 6 days a week. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and check out the other videos. Tell your friends. We're out here trying to